Hi dearest, so today we're going to be learning how I made this lovely August meeting satellite fascinator. Now if you've watched this video, you already know some basics, but if you haven't, you might want to go through it. So actually the client gave me this turban and said I should change it to a satellite fascinator. So the first thing I did was to dismantle the turban, and this is what I had. Then I went ahead to sew my bronze hat wire 1.2 mm gauge to my bishop cap. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to be sewing this all the way around. If you've watched the other video, you know how that's done. If you haven't, please do check the description below so you can go through it. It will be in the description of this video. The next thing I did was to cover it. I've cut out the piece after measurements. I'm going to cover it making use of my pegs and uhu gum. The next thing I did, which is different from the previous one, was I cut out 1.5 inch width of the material as long as 96 inches, but it's in bits because of the turban. So I folded it like a bias and I started wrapping it around the hat wire with uhu gum, of course. Then I joined these ones that were from the turban, you know how to do that, and put them all together to form this lovely Igbo August meeting satellite fascinator. Now our game challenge for today is, what is the measurement of the hat wire that was used to make this lovely Igbo August meeting satellite fascinator? If you loved this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you missed the other video, it means you are not subscribed to my channel. So please do click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I put up new trainings and you're able to follow up with other trainings. And if you haven't watched that video to help you out in this Igbo August meeting satellite fascinator, please do click this video up and it will show you how to make the fascinator, the satellite fascinator. So till we meet next time, is goodbye and God bless.